To split screen, to open two apps at the same time from recent apps in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. First, open both apps you like to open at the same time. As the example, we will open Chrome browser and Note. So that we can easily copy some text from Chrome to Note. Now, tap the recent button to see all recently open apps. Find Chrome browser app and then single tap on the Chrome browser app icon and then select open in split screen view. Next, select the second app you like to open. In this case, select Note. Create a new note. Now select some text on your Chrome browser. And then drag it to your note to easily copy the selected text. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.